We're very annoyed. Welcome to the carnival vlog of 2026. You'll probably hear my voice and I say, Shami, which frog you swallow? I'm recovering from being ill. That's why I sound like that. I had started this vlog last week and I did a few little things, but I never really like vlog serious. So I got which I seen it right now. I feel so. Every little cell in my body is not well. While I cock up in my ears for a sun up, I can't hear. My throat sore, I couldn't sleep good last night. Beer, orange cold up on my chest. I go through it, but I go shopping right now. A little, you know. So me link them up reach actually reach me go. So I is at the gym and we're rituals take it back to our roots. We got this new restaurant near AC Hotel, so that should be fine. And I delete everything off of my memory card and it still show me say it's full. I don't know why. So it's only Thursday, that's I'm in my way. Very holy. And this is what I'm having. I'm having a panini and some pumpkin spice chai. Mommy's having a cream cheese bagel and the same thing because she love follow. My mama Carrie, she just a belt out her throat hole in her background, so I got a new phone case. I feel like the other one was just not me and it was too bulky, so this one I really like. All of my devices are in blue or have blue cases, so I just went with that one. It was the lightest blue they had for my phone, not the one that I wanted, but I work with it. Auto commission. I cannot hear. It's 4:57. The reservation is for 7 o'clock. This is how my hair is looking with my braided ponytail situation. I put some of the miracle nuts here. All over it, I did my lashes and I did my nails, and now I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna be it after I'm gonna do my makeup because shit almost is it's gonna be a little bit tedious to bathe now and then do my makeup. Or should I just bathe now and do my makeup? I'm gonna bathe. Boom! Should bathe. My face no wash because the lashes. I'm gonna wipe it off. I want to limit myself. Like when I put on custards, I try to limit how much I wash my face because I don't want to drop off. As soon as I put them on, I got some new brushes yesterday and I started talking to from my sister, the former makeup artist. Well, she's still a makeup artist, she just not do people face. Advising me on how to use them, and I got a very strict, stern talking to about brushes and their intended uses. So I'm going to listen and I'm going to do my makeup in the way that I was instructed yesterday. Pray for me, guys. OMG, what the? Oh my god, like my face, oh wow, I've never had makeup blend this beautifully before. Oh my gosh, like, this is so yummy. Where have I been? Like, I always thought my makeup looked like it was lacking something, and I didn't know what it was because I was doing the right steps. It's the brushes. It's the damn brushes. Oh my gosh. Alright, my open on my face. And this is the finished look. This is This is the outfit. Really love this top, so cute. It's from Fashion Nova. And then I have on this skirt and some gold kitten heels. And my little bag that do hold nothing. The hot girl bag. So we're just waiting on Swan to be ready and then we're gonna head out. I should probably guys, it's the next morning. My voice went because we were in Raw Bar and I was trying to talk loud and my throat was already hurting me, so my voice gone. But I didn't include any clips from Ivy 23 was yeah. I didn't I didn't include any clips from that because Swan vlogged that. So if you guys want to see what that experience was like, you can go over to her channel. You guys know we don't vlog the same thing, and it wasn't even a case where we could alternate because there was really anything to vlog. So I'm going to rest my voice for the rest of the day, so you guys won't be seeing me for the rest of the day, and I'll come back to you guys when I'm feeling better. And we're back. So as you know, Suan is here. She have mashed down one bun and cheese. Yeah, I'm on the road trying to get earplugs because the first set of the week, starting the week off strong, is wet in the morning. It's a water party at 4 a.m. The last water party I went to was sun up, and I don't know how the ears thing goes. So I'm trying to get earplugs, and I'm also trying to get a waterproof phone case. So that's the motive for today. I'm just going to make 2 more stops at 2 more pharmacies. If I don't get it, then I don't get it. But that's what we're doing. In the Wendy's drive-through, trying to get a spicy chicken wrap. I really do love a spicy chicken wrap. Not because I really do love it, but yeah, I'm excited. And then this week, costume distribution starts on Tuesday because, you know, tomorrow is still a holiday. So stay tuned for all the festivities. We have quite a few events to go to. None like dressy, but still all of them is like, so. Guys, well, I pharmacy them lock. It's so hard to get these damn earplugs because we go to one of Fontana, Waterloo, and them never have none. Let's see. And we got it. One thing about Fontana, Barbican for the corner right there, so them are gonna come through. We got 6 pairs.
We never get the phone case though.
You want to try Sovereign? One last check? Sovereign have only first store.
But
or you want to just wait till we go?
Wait till we go to the party because when they're always out there, hopefully them out there. Hopefully
when you look for something, you know.
Yeah, that me just
you ever drive on the road and want a window wiper yet?
Yeah.
You would have never find one.
If you want,
so you want to go Sovereign? Alright, we'll go Sovereign, go check for the phone case, and if not, we'll try for it in the morning.
We're not gonna have no choice. Yes, we're gonna try.
You have a fanny pack? You have a merch fanny pack? Because the merch fanny pack waterproof.
No, the thing is, the funny part is not the move because it have a color to it. So. Oh, the one funny pack where you have for carnival. Oh no, you can't wear that. Well, when I get it, so I have to go left it to the vendor. That's a dope, jeez.
She doesn't even have no funny pack, and I'm just finding out now that she don't have no funny pack. God go with she. But yeah, back home. Guys, it's currently 6:57 p.m. Sunday night. I just woke up. I was sleeping for like maybe 2 hours because I'm gonna have to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I need to get my sleep at the end of the day. I don't know who the hell came up with that party time because I'm on holiday. Tuesday morning, bright and early after people in work again. I have to catch all the Z's I can. So that's what I was doing. My outfit is picked out already because I got a package from Gen X. I don't have the energy. Why did I come on the vlog? I don't have the energy to do anything right now, but I'll show you guys what that is in a few. Good morning, guys. I said the hardest it ever be for me wake up from one alarm. The alarm go 4:30 and I say this is the fit. My Gen X is branded Monokini. I got this. This is what I was telling you was in the bag. Wearing Crocs, and I have my raincoat in there, but kind of feel move like a speedy because yeah. So I'm looking for 3 cups, one for me, one for Swan, one for Shane. Last time I go sun up them teeth my cup. I don't know what them want my cup for, but them teeth it. So a 3 little oh, I need some water. 3 little cute cup in here. Can wash out them there and bring. And this is how Swan looks. Sheets at the top and bottom. And we're off. My fine 3 cup, 2 from Sun Nation, 1 from last year Road March. As I say.
Glass?
This isn't glass, it's plastic. If I find something with angle, be my guest. Look right here. Back again in another shot, but this time it's tea by my side. Them a load of them. Don't mind how forgiveful because I'm in right there.
No, because in no video front to him, want to see myself. All the ladies on top of cool, I'm gonna do this one. Let me go white now. Up on the cooler. Baby girl, away, up on the cooler. Baby girl, away, up on the cooler. Up on the cooler, up on the cooler.
Expose her.
Why am I trying to put it so wig?
That's how petite begs. That's how she begs.
Hey, wait. Hi.
What do you do? What do you do? I wasn't the one that took off your wig.
Joel.
Yes.
Kaim. Where's Harian? Harian. Sue.
Yeah.
Shami.
Yeah.
Rush 2.
Yeah.
One of my +2 gone with man. Sharina.
Whoa. Guys, I just reached back. I just reached back from the party. I honestly don't think I got 2 clips good for the vlog. But if I didn't, you guys can go ahead and check out Swan's vlog for that. And I'm so sorry about that because she had an action camera. I don't. I had my phone in the pouch around my neck and it was so difficult to maneuver it to video, and I also couldn't see the screen while we were out in the event, so I didn't get lots of clips. My voice is also strained more now, so I'm gonna rest it. I'm gonna beat sleep, and I'm gonna steam again later. We talk soon again when my voice come back a little bit. Quick commercial break to bring to you another unit by LUVME. Here, yeah, you guys can already see it, so I could just get right into it. So this is the package I received, and of course we have a section clip, a bag for storage, a label that's also for storage, lace tint, wig cap, an adjustable strap, and last but not least, the wig that we're working with today. It's a beginner friendly honey blonde highlight Yaki blunt cut wig, and it's my first time, so let's get right into it.
Can't believe whatever I'm saying, and they know whenever I land. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Centennial man with the city on slam. She get trippy off Zans, lost 21 grams, and she did it on cam. Wasn't no video dance, make my own rules. I really don't pick up just choose. I don't set this up just shoot. Shopping is cool. I told her it's BYOB. That mean buy your own boobs. Put it on God. You don't wanna put me on top. Can't be good in the box. Gotta move on the op. Never got the move on the drop. Niggas tryna move on the sky and we move that deep. Tryna run down your seat. Gotta act the fool. Squad next city, no sleep. Back to the 713. Spent 10 hours on this flight, man. Told the pilot ain't no flight plans. Can't believe whatever I'm saying, and they know whenever I land. Yeah, 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 yeah. Heartbreak hotel, we can't take no L's. Blood like AOL. He said that I ain't no sell, and he ain't just sell. She said I got it, nigga. I said I ain't gon' tell. 5 pounds, so it ain't no scale. I'm sick of the drink.
And this is how it's looking after I went ahead and straightened this a bit. I've never really had like a blonde bob moment or even a bang bob moment, so like, but yeah, if you guys like this unit, go ahead and click the link at the top of my description box to go straight to it. And yeah, big up love me 1, love me number 2. Let's get into the rest of the vlog. Hi guys, it is Wednesday. My voice is still not all the way back, but I am way better than yesterday, so please forgive me. The carnival week is rough. And not just me rough, but I must say rough. But a lot of people are getting sick. A lot of people are experiencing things that they don't want to experience during this week, so bear with me. I'm confident that by tomorrow I should be in a much better place, and I'm going to take extra precaution to not, like, if I go to the events, not try to shout over the music, creativity, not consume too much alcohol, because that also irritates the vocal cords and cause it to revert. So we're on our way to pick up our costumes. Had a lash appointment for it right now. The lash tech messed up the schedule, so we decided that instead of wasting time, which I wasn't really wasting time, I was working, but I'm able to move because I have my laptop and everything. Instead of just sitting there, we're gonna go ahead and collect the costumes, so that if the appointment for the lash runs too late into the evening, at least we already collected our costumes. So we're a little bit annoyed. This one over here, not even a little bit annoyed, we're very annoyed. Honestly, I haven't been having a good time. Yeah, I haven't been having a good time. I feel like
the trip just boom up. Like, why is everybody's attitude so bad?
The sick pants up, I'm just not having the best time. But we're gonna push through. We're gonna make the best of it, because at the end of the day, that's what we always do. Yeah. That's what we're good for. Right now, I just feel like America probably in America we've become, I don't know what I'm going for that week here. Really don't know what I'm going for that week here. Every time my voice come back, it go away.
It's a comeback once.
It's a comeback.
Yeah, man, this has been sound.
Yeah, this has been.
Since, yeah.
I got a nebulizer, I'm gonna go to the pharmacy, I'm gonna get a specific cough medicine, I'm gonna get a lot of stuff. So, yeah. And I have a presentation in the morning, so it better come back. But yeah, we're gonna go to the mass camp right now, and we're gonna meet up with Shelby today too. So yay. Nobody want to say. But sound like But so like my igloo would have my town, I short out at daytime. Cause what?
Yeah, this is your lunch.
Yeah. I said, nice lady, you know want to tights for the baby. The Olympics, where we have to go through, like we have to put the costume them, specifically my backpack into the car. God bless your angel where you send home to it. I say if we never see the one man will work in the parking lot, I don't even know if I have a BMW work our way. Show him my car, show good excitement. He must say, let me see how she can put this in the car. I end up saying him put in the car for we. People all drive past, man all drive past, oh no one help. It was so hard, but we got it in. Bag, juve bag, my headpiece. Where it fit in our face? Yeah. So obviously this time I can't hide. I'm wearing Spectre, which is a white costume. Me not like giving a hint to me I wear at all. But Wendy's did link me for the video, and then a couple people were like, I don't like costume I wear. So yeah, that's the one I'm wearing this year. So excited about it. I can't wait for my voice come back. But right now we're heading back to Half a Tree to catch the lash appointment. Swan is gonna go first. I'm gonna go after her.
That girl alone me go first, man.
I don't like to wait when I'm done.
But me wait.
You have things to do you know?
True.
Alright. So yeah, I'm gonna continue working while she is doing her lash, and then by the time her lash done, work done for me, so I'll be good to go. So yeah. Yep. These are the lashes. I'm gonna eat something before my unboxing at the goodie pack, because the only thing I ate was at Rituals this morning, so I gotta catch up my stomach and then catch it back.
I feel for woman and a 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 woman.
And we're back on the camera. This morning I took up the camera for vlog and it tells me that the battery dead, which is weird because I used the battery just yesterday and it was fine. But we're back in action and we're going to be unboxing or unbagging my Gen XS goodie bag for this year. I feel like I want a little extra light. I'm not gonna hold you. The lighting is better this way, so I'm just gonna sit this way and show you guys what's in my bag. First of all, can I just say that this bag is such great quality and it's big. Like I could use this when I'm traveling. And I have two bags. I have this bag and I have the Juve bag, and then I have the box that has my costume in there. I don't try my costume yet, but I'm going to get to it in a second. I have been dodging the videos with people showing what's in their goodie bags, so I can finally get to mine. A little extra light, not gonna hurt nobody. I promise you guys, when I'm not talking to you, I'm actively resting my voice. I'm saving it all for you guys. I'm going to I Love Soca tomorrow. Oh, my brazier strap them. I'm not gonna tell me. Ugh. I'm going to I Love Soca tomorrow. I'm gonna put myself on a man, so I'm not singing, I'm not drinking no bag of alcohol, all of that, because I'm gonna rest my voice. Okay, here we go. 2026 Gen XS goodie bag unbagging or unboxing. Armbands for the road. And Juve. Rum stripe. Oats. Miss Grippy with the grippy adhesive. Tissue. Tote bag. Rag. Rum stripe branded cup. Smirnoff branded cup. Black beans. Bar soap. Disinfectant spray, fan, some snacks. We have a Gatorade energy drink. We have a cereal biscuit, tea mix, bumblebee tuna, Mentos, sports bomb, aloe vera gel, Alka-Seltzer for hangover, and some 1 bag of coupons. And that's it for the main goodie bag. Now we're gonna go through the Juve one. 2 corn, another tissue, a snack, another cup, the waterproof phone case. I don't know what is frisbee. We have the, oh, this is what you put over your head, your hair, or I think, I don't know, don't quote me. Another snack, some more Alka-Seltzer for hangover relief, some more coupons, another bar of soap, aloe vera gel packet, and that is it for the goodie bags. I'm not gonna hold you. I feel like last year's goodie bag was much more festive compared to this one, but still grateful. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to go and try on my costume now, make sure that everything fits. I'm gonna have all the pieces them. Yeah.
I feel for woman and 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 woman.
It's Carnival Thursday. My voice is not all the way there, but it's coming along. So, it's currently like after 4. We're on our way to get our outfit for this one for I Love Soca because she don't like what she have. So, I just left my laser appointment literally. When me reach near, me say, whoa, me left the camera. Me never remember the camera. So, we never get to see that. But it wasn't, today wasn't terrible. It wasn't a walk in the park, but it wasn't terrible. And that's a lot because laser hurts. Don't make them ever tell you, say, waxing more painful than laser. That's a lie from the pit of hell. Okay? Okay. So yeah, we're going to do that. I was supposed to go back to distribution center because I tried on my costume last night, beautiful, but one of my foot piece them it missing a string, like for tie around my foot, so I need to go back and get that changed or get the string added to it. But we have to do that tomorrow. I definitely have to do it tomorrow because tomorrow is the last day that the distribution center will be a thing. Also have to get stockings, going to get that from merch. And that's basically it for Carnival prep. Is there anything else that you need to get? Yeah. So we're just going to get this outfit and then get ready for I Love Soca. The last time we've been to I Love Soca was years ago. So yeah, looking forward to it because Marshall is going to be performing.
Right after COVID, I believe, that first I Love Soca, right?
No, I think it was right before COVID. No man, wait.
It was right after COVID, yeah man.
Right after COVID for true. Yeah. So that's the MO. I'm going to come back to you guys when I get ready because the lady I do our shopping. If you want the lady do our shopping, I'm go up and lady vlog.
Bring my camera.
Oh. So we can show the lady I do our shopping then. I should not bring her camera. So yeah. And she'll be back in a few.
I want you to work.
I have to find something. No looking Posh by V, which is rare.
Very rare.
This is how I'm looking at brand. If I find out nobody, so I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do, you know? Where you gonna do, Dolly? She not answer me.
Where's it?
Again, no luck. The people them just have their dressy clothes. It's giving you're the birthday consistently. We're not trying to be the birthday. We're trying to be the friend of the birthday. Hey, when someone walk past the man, them head turn, you know?
Oh, Lord.
I tell you, the dolly have a bump up. There's this place. Oh, Jesus. There's this close place we'll keep on the walk past through the alleyway between Mall and Tropical Plaza. You want to try there?
Mall and Tropical Plaza.
Remember the little store we say with the dress them?
No, I don't remember it, but...
Anyway, like you guys, hungry kill me.
I want the black sweetie?
Bargain Mall. Okay. So, you need one?
Yeah, I just want one sweetie.
Yeah, we have gum.
Yeah, I yeah. No, that time I'm hungry. What? I don't hungry. I just need one for that. No, it's fine.
May I go get one Chinese food from the Chinese food place? The food not like one time, you know, but I don't have a chance to come at bed. At bed. You ever leave your without your gum? If you don't have gum in your bag, go buy one, come and put it in your bag. Guys, yeah, that's my favorite one. Guys, listen to me next time. Not beg me nothing. Not beg me nothing next time. She beg me to have my Pringles and now come and skin up her face at about what this.
What's not things?
Original Pringles, that one that me love. Anyway, she get what she da look for after 100 store. I'ma buy Chinese food over the place there.
I just choose my choose something time.
She just threw something because we're fed up. I'm tired of her. And she tired of herself. So she got all black. How many look at juice? One. I got me supposed to look over here to reach home.
Which video?
You do it when I put on makeup.
Which video?
With the freeze dry fruits then. See how the food I look there, guys. I'm gonna tear this up in a traffic. Yeah, once you see it red, so you know when I bite. I don't even remember the last thing I said to you guys, but clearly today is a car vlog day. Not fully, because I'm gonna show that I love Soca later, right? Let me see how much battery I have. Wait, well, when the battery did it, I guess, because it's not showing me the battery percentage. But Zaddy, am I your baby? Every time I clear my throat, remember that. Yeah, we're at Fontana, so I'm gone inside because a doctor on the Gen XS team told us that if we take vitamin B12 before we drink, we won't have a hangover. That's for them though. I'm not drinking tonight. I'm just starting to get my voice back. I'm not risking losing it. I'm just gonna play it off. Whenever nobody asks me, what may I drink? May I drink white and cranberry juice? Don't worry about me, sweetheart. But yeah, we're at Fontana just getting some stuff, and then we're gonna go home and get ready for I love Soca. I don't know what I'm wearing. You see me, I walk up and down and me help so and look outfit and the whole time me I said then Shamika, what you gonna wear, girl? I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but we'll figure it out and we must find something in the name of Jesus. Amen. Alright guys, so this is the outfit. I wore this jumpsuit before, this romper before, but I don't think you guys ever saw it. So this is what I'm wearing. And I have this MK bag and my Bridget. Every time I put on something will require me for wear silver accessories, I realize that I have 0 silver accessories. I was supposed to take you guys through the get ready with me process, but the makeup did give me a little trouble. Not gonna lie, the makeup doesn't like look all that great in my opinion. Could have looked better, but I wasn't settled. Like mentally I wasn't settled. So yeah, this is how we look for I Love Soca. I think this is the vibe for I Love Soca, so let's go to I Love Soca. Them change your meetup time. Them push it back 1 hour. So yeah. So I'm gonna eat my Bombay. And then we're gonna take pictures. And then we're gonna go.
Hey.
And we are in the shuttle.
No money.
Oh, Russian.
I noticed that you guys were having an off.
Turn up the music. Jamaica, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Turn it up. More music. Hey, yeah. Jamaica. Hey, put your hand in the air. Put your hand in the air.
Good morning, Jamu. I posted something on my Instagram story talking today. So it's the first time people on Instagram are hearing my voice, right? Everybody's like, oh my god, I like this voice for you. I may say, I may try so hard to get rid of it. I feel like my sound coarse. Like, I don't think the voice much yes. But it's Friday. It's Carnival Friday. Night after I love Soca, I'm not gonna lie. Everybody just can't stop talking about how terrible last night was. Like, it was bad. Like, it's not even like a you can't go around it type of bad. Like, it is just terrible. But anyways, today on the agenda we have Friday Jam, and then after Friday Jam we'll come home, catch a little vibe, and then go out for Juve. But before that, I have to go back to AC Hotel to change out my food piece and get my stock in. So hopefully the traffic isn't too bad on the road. Can do all of that, come back in good time to get ready for Friday Jam, and then leave Friday Jam in a good enough time for come home, sleep, and then head out to Juve. So yeah, I will come back to you guys when we get the new piece for my costume. I get it sweet. So my costume complete. My costume complete now. Mega buy my got the cameras. It is 5:36 p.m. Just got home. Just got to the crib. In a perfect world, the party started 36 minutes ago. But I'm gonna take a nap for like an hour, and then when we wake up, right? Yeah, talk to me. I don't know, you may chat too. You just love chat. Anyways, I'm gonna take an hour nap. When we wake up, we do what we can do. And you know, we move from this, so because right as it is, I'm very miserable right now because I want to sleep. Wow. And then I need to get rid of the ear off of my foot, and then something's there too. So before Juve. So toodaloo until we're ready for Friday Jam. Alright guys, we're ready for Friday Jam. I don't know if I'm sold on how I look right now. So this is the outfit, and I'm wearing these kitten heels. I'm a little silver pouch, but I don't know. I don't know if it's a heel type of occasion. I don't know. And then my toenail then broke up from wet, so it's just a lot of and then I have a terrible tan from sun up and wet, So this might look like a conflicting on camera, but it doesn't look like that in person. We're ready to go. We're not spending too long here because we have to come back for catch like a little nap for go Juve. So let's see what Friday Jam gives. Let's see if it's worth the par. We are here walking in. Why am I look like one tower over here? We went up here.
Toronto family in the building tonight. Come here. Little dance before we get back to the Soca and furniture.
Wally buckle, Wally buckle.
Wind up.
Wait, no, you have to go down there. Ready, go. Is 11:12 and we are back at the crib because we gotta go to bed. But some idiot that boy more fight that boy the whole time. But I like catch up my hair pants up on my head. But yeah, we're about to get rid of all of this and go to sleep for Juve in like 3 hours. Yeah, may I come back soon when I wake up. I know I'm not gonna like do none of that, but yeah, Friday Jam was cool. DJ Young Chow was playing when we left. Solid DJ. He was the DJ at the truck that I was on Carnival Day last year. Solid DJ. Solid. But yeah. May I go fix up the place and come to bed for Juve?
I feel for woman and a 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 woman.
I sit ever before me wake up for one alarm. It's the same thing to reach me for sun up. Same thing. Me hear the alarm and go off and I say, what that for? Like, why are we waking up? Lele water run out of my mouth. My pillow soak. Sleep a kill me. Go me I go party. What time do you do? No.
Yeah.
It's a little bit tight, man.
It's too tight?
And then my arm, yeah. And then my arm them feel a little restricted. So I use my little grapeseed oil for oil down as they recommend. So the paint slip off easier. Road. I'm not ready to move. I have a little white sack so I can see how dirty it get when I come back. Road. Charge to the road. High beam. Alright, where to go? Okay, make sure you have your cup, have an armband, you have a waterproof phone case right there. Can't leave these things, girl. And we're leaving. We're gonna meet up with the shuttle now. That camera you left, this not even leave the house. So me talk to you on my phone when we get in the shuttle. Wait, are they right there?
If you have one bad mind person in Jamaica, when you tell them rock so, just rock so now. Ladies, I want you to write to the crowd. Watch it. Ladies, why you been right over?
My voice now come back till next month. Juvenile care, back to back. Back to back. Juvenile. Yeah.
Get him to be bad.
Guys, reach home. I'm gonna put on a fake patch. This was from the live story. It's supposed to cure hangover. So I'm going to do this as an honest review in the morning when I wake up. And I guys know if I have a hangover or if I don't have a hangover. I was drinking because I was not driving. So me talk to you when I wake up though. Like right now, I just want me eat breakfast already. I just want bed and go on my bed. That's it. Chat. Juvenile office so nice. Whoa. May I go shake up myself. It's like 4 o'clock now. Saturday 4 p.m. Saturday. We need to fix the ear, the dial. We need to get pretty now. You understand? So I'm gonna deal with that. And I'm a circle on the back. Yeah.
I feel for woman and a 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 woman.
Good morning, guys. Yeah, but I do. It is currently 4:48 a.m. Yeah. But no, this is. I sound like a man a while ago. Jeez, this is the normal time for us to start getting ready, especially because I did not do my hair from last night. So I have to hurry up and do it now. I'm wonder like a bag of gems and stuff, so I'm gonna see how best I can ropes that right now. And then once I'm done my hair, I'll turn back on the camera and talk with you through the makeup portion. Wow, book into my nose. Wow. But I see that's a while ago. No one never see. Make sure. So I have on a half wig. I'm gonna do a half up, half down. Honey. I don't know if I can see what take place. She don't know. Carnival man in work out. Hey lady, serious. She not play a game, you know. I open say she not play. Like, she's not joking around. Like, she's dead ass.
How can I play when it's the real game?
And she probably do a little pump again when she's in her costume. I'm put her. Anyway, I'm gonna get the hair situated and then I'll come back soon. Oh, but these are the nails. Let me turn on this light. These are the nails. Give them. Give that performance. Did this in roughly 10 minutes. I add the gems to the top and then moisturize here and then add the gems to the top. And that's the hair. I'm gonna put some little tiny ones in the baby hair. But when I do my makeup, I was just telling Swan that I'm excited, but I'm also so sad that this is the last day of Carnival for now.
Right? The week started strong. And now it's just...
Sigh. There's some primer girl. I'm primer there. I'm a Sasha there. I don't like use new things for my face, so never mind. I don't know, me and Sasha primer got to get a real bad. This at the last side though. I just squeeze out it life, you know. But screenshot one makeup look off of Pinterest, so I want to do. I'm going to cross my finger and squeeze my bottom hole. Shami say it come out good. Got a white liner there's something there, it kind of hard to work with, but you know what's crazy? From me get the costume, I've been saying it's giving bridal, and there's actually so many brides wearing it. People who are celebrating them bachelorette. I've never really like done my hair first, so this is gonna be a little challenge for me in applying the makeup, but not no bigger than way, you know. I can't angle it. Alright, me come back soon when I do like the fun stuff. This is where we are. I just asked Swan for put on my wing liner for me. Right now I go do the white line. Come on. I'm scared! And the makeup is done. Hair is done. Time to put on my costume. Yeah. And we're in the vehicle. So I need to hurry our ass up because the photo shoot is at 8 p.m., 8 a.m. and it's 7:40 something. The wingy Travis Elf put into the vehicle, my own of course. It's huge, man, it's huge. So we're about to head there now. If someone would hurry up. Okay. Toodles, she's here. And of course, you already know. Travis, yeah. Miss Mom's reaching her vehicle. Late bug. We are here. Photographer of the morning. Put on my backpack. This is how I'm looking. My spread way like house and land. I'm only gonna put on the headpiece when I'm actually taking my picture. Okay, never mind. We are finished with the photo shoot. So I'm gonna go with my video taking right now. I'm ready for this one. Alright guys, we're walking to the truck. Let me not try to rush you for walk, but for breakfast. Never like a workout. Them not make me black out on the road. It's like 17 minutes past 9. We got here at 8 o'clock for that. Did the photo shoot. Did the photo shoot and done up that everything 8, and now we're going to catch the truck. Get it started. I don't know if this is white. I feel like it's super overexposed, but let me see. About that time of the morning where we're gonna start lining up to cross the stage. Are you crossing the stage first? Yeah. So we have to go split up, get in our different sections. Of course, we're not in the same costume, so we're gonna.
The photographer going to Manama.
It was amazing. Waiting on Shelby and Swan now, and then we can go to lunch. Guys, this is lunch. Swan get oxtail. I never want. Me get curry goat initially, but I never want it, so I get fried chicken. Guys, I'm currently on a mission to find the makeup refresh station because my face is messed up. I can't behave myself. Wow, wow, wow. Ah, come, let's go, guys. That's a wrap, guys. Jamaica Carnival 2026 has officially come to an end. They're going on the boat today, but I never take the day off from work. And I'm also tired. Like, I feel like my belly full. I don't need nothing else. Like, I'm good. So one also leaves soon. So, you know, just go and spend the cool time and thing and Ray and tea. So, yeah. The only thing I would say this year was that the food lines were longer than last year, but what they did to compensate for that was extend the lunchtime. So where I was sitting like right in front of the line, and from what I could see, the line was cleared by the time they told us that we were supposed to go back on the road. Only thing Gen X owe me, I'm a too little to them. I did not know. First time wearing boots, I did not know that I was supposed to bring sneakers to change out of the boots. The boots mash up my little toe them. My little toe them hurt me. So that's alone Gen X owe me. Two little toe. But apart from that, solid experience again. I can't wait for the next one. I hope you guys felt the energy through the screen. I did my best. I did what I could did. And yeah. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm gonna edit it now, and you know, yeah. Toodaloo. Until next time.